Hey guys, today we are presenting this LCD writing board for you, and you can see it's like this is pretty cool and then pretty lightweight, and this comes in a small package. It shows some instruction on the back that you know what should not be done with this small writing pad. Here is some of the specifications you can see here and how to use this one. Let's open it and see. So here is like writing pad is very thin, and you can see is like there is one manual, and then this is the writing pad. It's pretty solid plastic, and here like it's just in the back you cannot see like anything. It's just like a single slim pad. So this is the button to delete whatever you wrote in it. So this is how you will take out the pen. It's just like to take it up and then it will come out, and you have to write a little bit pressure, and then you can see is like it feels good, it's writing good, and when you press this delete button everything is gone, so you can write again on it. It's pretty cool, right? Now I'm just writing some words so you can see it's pretty bright, and then you can easily see on it. And just doing some experiments for the writing, and when you delete and everything is delete, you can do drawing, you can write your to-do list, and you can do a lot of other stuff. So just to put the pen back, just put the nib first and then just stick in it. That's it, and handy to carry, pretty slim, and you can carry it easily. Now this comes with a battery inside it, and then if you want to change it, you can change it from here. So just unscrew it, take out the battery. I think is CR2025. It is there on the package itself, so I will just show in the end. And you can just open it with a small screwdriver. Just open it, take out the battery and replace it. That's it. All this is the maintenance there. Yeah, so this is the nut bolt, and you can just open it, replace the battery. I'm not doing it right now. I will just show you like where you can, and this is like here I am showing you CR2025 here. So